अपनी प्रोफेशनल जर्नी शुरू करनी पड़ेगी। और जो भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, मेरा तो ये स्ट्रॉन्ग सजेशन है कि जो भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, वेदर इट्स अ बैंक, वेदर इट्स एन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक, और इट्स अ वेल्थ एडवाइजरी फर्म, और एन एनबीएफसी, और अ ब्रोकरेज फर्म, जहां भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, वहां पे आप 1 साल 2 साल काम करो। उसके बाद तो आपका जो करियर है आपके खुद के हाथ में, यू हैव इट इन योर हैंड, वेयर इज दैट यू वांट टू go. Okay, so I have not, if you look at my professional journey, so I also reached the stage of AGM. Okay, but I did not start my career with a bank. I started my career with a registrar and transfer agent, and gradually I moved up to, and I reached the position of an AGM. Okay, in 10 years. Okay, so that is how it works, राइट। तो इस तरह से काम होता है। तो अपना दिमाग ओपन करिएगा कि आपको जो है सीख के काम करना है। अभी आपको सिर्फ थियोरेटिकल नॉलेज है, ठीक है। इट माइट, आई माइट साउंड वेरी sermonish here, but that is how you will have to look at. Okay, people who have an experience obviously will get better opportunities. So don't come back and say कि नहीं उसको तो यहाँ मिल गया, मुझे क्यों नहीं मिला। So people obviously with higher tiering and with the some experience might get different opportunities than you. जिनको कोई experience नहीं है, please be open to all kind of opportunities, please be open to working. जब तक आपने अपना प्रोफेशनल जर्नी शुरू नहीं करेंगे तब तक आप कहीं पहुंचेंगे कैसे। सो अगर आपके दिमाग में ऐसा कुछ है कि the moment I complete my course with Imarticus, I'll be sitting in a bank on the cash counter, or I'll be sitting as an operation manager. No, you need to have some experience to reach there. ठीक है, तो वो उस हिसाब से अपना दिमाग ओपन रखेगा। ओके, another thing I want to add, I have a meeting at 10:30 today for 15 minutes. Okay, so I'll take a break at 10:25 and join back by say 10:50 or 11 depending on when my meeting ends. Okay, in the
Okay,
meantime
ma'am.
what I want you to do is कि आपको सेमेस्टर 3 में कोई भी अगर डाउट्स है, कोई भी चीज आपको नहीं समझ में आई है, we can cover this. So this is just a kind of revision session, and maybe some product, some retirement product which we have not seen, probably we will see that. Okay, so in the meantime if you have any questions, please ask now till 10:25. Okay, in the meantime let me
Okay, ma'am.
see what else is remaining for. मेरे ख्याल से I've covered everything, there is nothing which is remaining. I'll just open your LMS and just we'll go through it. How many of you, please tell me honestly, how many of you have read the mutual fund book completely? Chapter 1 to chapter 13. I think 13 chapters.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, Gautam. Very good. Sonam, you also read?
म्यूचुअल फंड बहुत अच्छा सा है।
समझ में आ गया पूरा अच्छे
जी
से?
जी जी।
ओके, तो अगर आपको म्यूचुअल फंड समझ में आ गया तो आपको इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रोडक्ट्स भी समझ में आ जाएंगे, इन्वेस्टमेंट स्ट्रैटेजी भी समझ में आ जाएगी, एसेट एलोकेशन भी समझ में आ जाएगा। अगर आपने वो बुक अच्छे से पढ़ी है तो आपको सब कुछ जो अपना हमने सेमेस्टर 3 में हमको सीखना है वो हर चीज आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगी। So anybody who has done it, very good. Anybody has not done it, still has time. Please take a week or 10 days to read that book. And because your interview would be based on that book. What is a mutual fund? What's the role of SEBI? What's the role of RBI? What a bank does? What is monetary policy? So all these kind of questions will be part of your interview. So किसी ने अगर अभी तक नहीं वो बुक पढ़ा है तो प्लीज पढ़ ले, और अगर वो आपको समझ में आ गई तो यू विल बी एबल टू क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू. देयर शुड नॉट बी अ प्रॉब्लम.
That book we can take a print out, ma'am.
If you want, you can take a print out. If you want to, but no, restrictions not taking a break. It's available, you know, it's all over the place. It's available on the net. It doesn't have any confidentiality issue. You can share it, you can print it, you can do whatever. Okay, okay, fine. So looking at semester 3, anti-money laundering is a part of semester 4. So I've not covered that. Banking risk is also a part of semester 4. Communication skills, customer skills is a part of semester 4. Depository operations I've covered. Equity stock selections I've covered. Financial planning we have done. Fixed income securities we have done. Wealth management we have done. Investment planning we have done. Market risk is a part of your semester 4. Mutual funds we have done. You know, so we have done everything which you had to do as a part of your semester 3. Okay. And you know, the mutual fund covers everything. If you remember, we have taken maybe more than a week to cover your entire mutual fund.
Yes,
And it
ma'am.
covers
Yes,
everything. It covers the strategy. It covers the, you know, the asset allocation, everything it covers. So we have covered. Okay. So let us look at it, retirement planning. So we have seen it many times. Retirement planning means it will be which stage of wealth cycle. Retirement will be which side or which part of the wealth cycle, which stage of the wealth cycle. We have seen the wealth stages. Do you remember? We have seen the wealth stages. Hello. You guys remember various wealth stages? Various stage.
Yes, ma'am.
What are
Accumulation और prevision distribution जो था.
very good. If you are in the retirement, what stage of the wealth you are in? What will you do?
the last.
It's not the last stage.
Prevention, ma'am.
It's the reaping stage. If you remember, we had the wealth accumulation and then we had the reaping stage. Reaping is when you use the money you already have, right?
Yes.
Huh? So it's the reaping stage. So only if you have reaping is what? Reaping हम कब use करते हैं? Reaping हम use करते हैं you know, खेती के टर्म में. आपने बीज बोया, आपकी फसल तैयार हो गई, उसके बाद आप फसल को जब काटते हैं उसको हम कहते हैं रीपिंग स्टेज. सो दैट इज द स्टेज फॉर योर रिटायरमेंट एज वेल. तो पूरी जिंदगी आपने काम किया एंड यू हैव accumulated money, and now because you will not have any you know, any source of income, you will have to use the money which you have accumulated to take care of your requirements. So retirement is the reaping stage in the wealth cycle. So for reaping, obviously you'll have to work hard. You'll have to select the right. If you look at in terms of farming, you have to select the right seeds. You have to wait for your crops to grow, and only then you will be able to reap. तो जो लोग खेती से रिलेटेड है या वो उतना तो हम सब लोग जानते हैं कि पहले अगर आपको फसल काटनी है तो सबसे पहले आपके बीज अच्छे होने चाहिए, आपकी खाद पानी अच्छा होना चाहिए, और जब आपका फसल तैयार होगी तब आप उसको काट पाएंगे. और इट रिक्वायर्स अ लॉट ऑफ पेशेंस, एंड दैट इज व्हाट वी हैव सीन in investment also. Patience is a very important aspect of your accumulation and reaping stage. So reaping will come only if you have accumulated well, which is your retirement stage. So retirement, you save your money over your working life, and then you use it for taking care of your needs after retirement. Now, what are the products which can help us for two things? You tell me what are the instruments which can help us in retirement planning and regular income. After I have retired, what are the products I can look at for regular income? बताइए. Retirement planning के लिए what are products which you can suggest to the customer?
Equity.
I'm sorry?
Equity.
Equity, okay. Equity when he's young, when he's like up till 50, maybe he can invest in equity. And after that, where should he keep his money for regular income?
Debt instrument.
Then he has to keep it in debt instrument. PPF, yes, PPF is, oh yes, very good, Swati. Yes, PPF is also an instrument for retirement planning. Then we have forgotten one important instrument, one important product. Do you remember NPS?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So NPS should obviously be a part of retirement planning. What are the asset classes in NPS? Where all can I invest in NPS? Anybody remembers? Hello. What are the asset classes which I can use in NPS? Nobody remembers. Do you remember ECG? I told you an acronym. ECG.
Yes,
What does
ma'am.
ECG stands for?
Ma'am, hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, equity, corporate debt,
Yeah. Equity,
corporate bonds,
corporate bonds,
investment,
and alternative investment.
Government securities, ma'am.
and all and government
Government
securities.
security. Yeah.
And you can also have asset allocation as per your age. Government securities. So ECG is that. So NPS is again a very good product for retirement planning because you can choose different asset classes. Depending on the risk profile, you can select various asset classes. Right? And we call it ECGA because you can have asset allocation based fund as well. Okay, equity, corporate bonds, government security, asset allocation. And these are instruments for retirement planning. When should you do retirement planning? Or what is the right time to start planning for retirement? When is the right time to start planning for retirement? Hello? Huh?
Ma'am, immediately once
Get into a job.
immediately once you join the job.
The right time to start planning for your retirement, because as you age, you will not be able to take exposure to equity. Equity is a risky instrument, and if you remember, your risk-taking capacity decreases with age. So probably the right time for investment is to retirement planning is from the day you start working. Maybe you have, you can only plan through an SIP or a small amount of money, but the right time and the right age is to start planning for your retirement when you are in your 20s, because only then you will be able to build a corpus. Okay, so start as young as possible to start your retirement planning. So you will have customers who are like 30 years age, 35 years of age, and you talk to them about retirement, they say it's a long time, but show them the power of compounding or the benefit of investing early. So what are the benefits which a customer will get if he invests early? What are the benefits a customer can get if he invests early?
More returns, ma'am.
More returns, obviously. You'll have more time, more risk he can take, can give him better returns. So the earlier he can start planning, the better it is for him. Okay. Now, so this will be in which stage of wealth cycle? Retirement planning actually should be done in which stage of wealth cycle?
Ma'am, accumulation.
Accumulation stage, yeah. So he has to do retirement planning in the accumulation stage. And then in the reaping stage, where should he keep his money? Obviously in fixed income
Preservation.
security, which can generate regular income for him. Also, he can make use of SWP. What is SWP?
Systematic withdrawal plan.
Systematic withdrawal plan. How does it work?
Ma'am, systematically.
What does it mean?
SWP allows an investor to withdraw from his mutual fund scheme every
Right.
month on.
Correct.
Yes, ma'am.
So SWP allows the customer to withdraw his money systematically rather than doing a withdrawal at one time. He can withdraw it systematically. So for example, over his accumulation stage, he has accumulated say 25 lakhs. He's accumulated 25 lakhs during his accumulation stage. Now, rather than withdrawing the entire 25 lakh in one go, what he can do is he can withdraw it systematically over a period of 5 years to take care of his expense. The benefit is the rest of the money will, keep on growing. So for example, he withdraws 50,000 every month. So whatever money is left in that corpus will keep on growing. So SWP is also a very good tool for retirement. Yeah, monthly and quarterly SWP. Yes. So when a person has retired, he can do this. Is there any specific product for a retirement or for senior citizen? Any specific products only for senior citizens? Have we seen any product which is suitable only for senior citizens or is can be used only by senior citizen? We have seen a product. Nobody remembers?
No, ma'am.
Senior citizen saving scheme.
Oh, yeah, yes. Ma'am.
Yeah. So see, for financial planning, you need to know your products well. Because you will have to choose your products based on the need of the customer. So you have to know what are the products available and what kind of customers will they suit. Right. So senior citizen saving scheme is another product which a customer can use for his retirement, after his retirement. So there are some, I hope all of you understand that there are two stages of retirement. First is planning, and the second is after he's retired, the need for regular income. And the earlier you plan, the younger you can retire. So if you plan well, you can also retire at the age of 45. You can be you can have a financial sufficiency at the age of 45 and retire if you've done your planning well, right? So senior citizen savings scheme is also one product which a customer can take.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
Atal pension scheme is there, no ma'am?
Atal pension scheme is again for retirement planning, and that's a government, government sponsored scheme. Yeah.
Okay. It can be started in an early age so that the premium will be less for everyone.
Yes. Yeah, correct. So any kind of insurance or any kind of retirement has to be started as early as possible, because the earlier you start, the better returns you will get. Okay. So that is about it. I think I will, have to break. In the meantime, I will probably join back at 11 o'clock because of this meeting. So you guys can also log off, but I will strongly recommend that you log on to your LMS, go through the topics which we have covered in semester 3. And if you have any questions, we can discuss it at that time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, I'll just take on the revision. Okay. So join back at 11. Okay.